In the following figure, find the length of the longest smooth path connecting opposite corners of a square which obeys the following conditions. Path may not touch or intersect itself at any point, and path should follow the lines in the figures. You are watching Brain Exploders, the world where brain starts working. So here is the solution. Let us take a look of those parts of this figure which cannot be a part of our smooth curve. Here we cannot use the corners of square because we know that our path should be smooth. We cannot take a sudden turn from going one circle to another circle, and we cannot form a loop or something like this because in this kind of loop the path will intersect itself, and we cannot make our path anywhere except the lines given in the figure. So these were the things which we cannot do while making our path. Now what strategy we should use to make our path longest? We will try to remain close to the starting point, and this will help us in making our path longer and longer. So we are starting from this corner, and we will try to come towards the starting point again, but now we cannot turn toward the starting point because after this we would not be able to take any turn because it will violate any one of our condition. So we will have to go away from our starting point, but again we will try to turn towards our starting point as much as possible, and in this way our path will be as longer as it can be. Here we can make one more path having the same length, and in this path we will use the strategy that we will keep trying to bring our path downward. We will keep trying to remain close towards one of the sides of the square. Here this path is always trying to come downwards. As much as possible we will try to bring this path down, and in this way also we can make the longest path, and both these paths which we have shown are having the same length. Here the side length of the square is 6 centimeter, and so the diameter of one circle becomes 2 centimeter and its radius is equal to 1 centimeter, and our path is formed by 17 quarter circles and two line segments of 1 centimeter. Here the radius of the circle which are used in forming the path is 1 centimeter, so the circumference of this circle become 2 pi centimeter, and so the length of this quarter circle is pi by 2 centimeters. Now our path is formed by 17 arcs of pi by 2 centimeters and two line segments of 1 centimeter. So the total length of path is equal to 17 pi by 2 plus 2, and that is approximately 28.70 centimeters, and this is our solution. Let's move to our another question. There is a square of side length 1 centimeter and two parallel lines which are 1 centimeter apart in a plane such that two opposite corners of a square lie between the parallel lines. Angle between lines and one of the side of a square is 18 degrees. Find the sum of perimeters of triangles having other two corners of a square as vertex and parallel lines as base of the triangle. Here these are the two parallel lines 1 centimeter apart, and this is the square of side length 1 centimeter. Now these two triangles are shown by red and yellow color here, and we have to find the sum of the perimeters of red and yellow triangles. Try this question and comment as the solution, and if you have any question like this, send us on the Gmail given in the description box. Don't forget to like and share our video, and for more such videos subscribe to our channel Brain Exploders. Thanks for watching.